Oh, what it do, gang, man? We back with another one. Oh man, it's been a wait a minute. All right, there we go. It's been a long weekend, man. As y'all can see, my voice is a little shaky, man. But yeah, man, we back with another one, man. So today's video, man, a company, man, let me see. AUXITO, yeah. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm not pronouncing it that way, the correct way, then please forgive me. But yeah, man, they hit me up and they sent me these lights. Now, I've been saying for a long time that I wanted to, change the interior lights of the Trackhawk. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all because the lights that come in there, man, I don't know why Dodge did that. But they orange fluorescent. I hate that. I really, really hate that. Case in point, look at these lights. I hate that, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to, let me close this. Look at these lights, man. They orange fluorescent. I hate that, right? So we gonna change that to the LEDs. Now, these are a company called AUXITO. They hit me up. They sent me the lights. I told them I needed them. So let me just show y'all what they look like, though, bro. So these lights are gonna replace the orange fluorescence, man. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those out. So I've never taken these off before, but according to the video, I was watching a couple of videos trying to, you know what I'm saying, just to kind of see, you know, how to gauge to do it. But it seemed pretty simple, man. You just gotta pop this off and then disconnect this part. So you're literally just gonna get like a little pry tool and go around the end of it. Go around the end with a pry tool, you know what I'm saying, loosen it up, and then you're just gonna pull it down. Once you pull it down, these two lights are gonna be in there and you should be able to just twist them out. So let me go ahead and get this off and then we'll go from there. Now, if y'all look right here, all right, turn the light on. These are the lights, one right there, and then one right there. Now this clip right here, that's like the little power cord, but it's so freaking short. Like, that's all the slack I got. So, normally, well, luckily, I don't have to take this whole thing down. So these are the light bulbs. So I'm just gonna, let me get the window down with some if I'm finna, hold on. Jeez, okay. So all I'm gonna do right here, all right, there you go, get a little bit more light. All right, I'm gonna just untwist these, 1, 2, and then pull the light bulbs out. And then I'm gonna take the new LEDs and replace it. And let's see, all right. So, turn on some light. All right, these are the bulbs. Can y'all see those? These are the bulbs. And the little black piece holds the bulbs. So now what I'm gonna do is take the new LED lights from AUXITO and I'm gonna replace them. So we got 2 for right now. Let's take this. So now I'm just gonna take this bulb. It's a little hot too, but this is supposed to twist out somehow. I gotta try to pull it out without breaking it. Hold on, guys. All right, so I literally just wiggled it out, right? Wiggled it out, man, and it came right out. So now I'm gonna take the new bulb, right, like this, and place it right in the middle of it until I hear it click. And you will feel it when it's all the way in there. Pause. All right. Feels pretty secure to me. All right, and then we're gonna do the other one the same way, man. So literally just take the bulb, wiggle it out as such, take the new one, put it in there, boom, just like that. Now, we got to put them back. And boom, just like that, we got both LEDs up, man. It was so simple to install, man. So we got both LEDs up. Let me see how it look. I closed the garage. Get the windows up. Oh yeah, that looks good. I love that LED, man. I couldn't stand that orange fluorescent. But yeah, the LED looks good, bro. I can't wait to see how it look at nighttime. So, but yeah, man, it was a stupid, simple, easy install. It makes sure everything tight and secure around the edge. As y'all can see, nothing is loose. Let me get out of my life. Yeah, nothing is loose. Everything is tight and sealed. And yeah, man, so when nighttime come, you know, it look way better in here, man. So I always love LEDs. So shout out to AUXITO, man, for sending me these lights. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop my affiliate link down at the bottom, man. So if y'all got a Jeep, if it's the SRT Jeep Trackhawk, any type of WK2 Jeep, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop my code down at the bottom. Y'all type in the code, y'all type in code Big Rob, and then you can get 15% off if you want to order these lights. I will put the link down in the description. And you can go on AUXITO.com, and they got lights for anything, like pretty much any car, Chevy, GMC, you know, Ford, anything, man. So check them out. Like I said, if you want a 15% discount, use code Big Rob, and then you'll get that 15%. And enjoy the LEDs, man. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in to this video. You know what I'm saying? And I might just throw in a night clip, you feel me, just to show y'all the difference at nighttime. So yeah, look how bright them LEDs is, bro. My truck was not lighting up like this from the jump. Not at all, man. So shout out to AUXITO for the win, man. Definitely changed the whole inside look of the Trackhawk. So y'all wanna get those, man, like I said, y'all make sure y'all click the link down below in the description, man, and click on the link, excuse me, and it'll give y'all 15% off using code Big Rob. All right, I'm out.